Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on the Atlantic. We have Tropical Depression number 3 strengthening into what is now Tropical Storm Cristobal. Further strengthening is expected, and could we see this being a hurricane right at landfall along any of these Gulf Coast states here? Well, before I go into all of the details, please ensure to subscribe if you haven't and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right through the hurricane season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My weather account is weathergirl Dani and my main account is Dani Henry Official. And so let us go back to this new tropical storm. And so for the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty here, we are seeing that, well, the current winds of Cristobal are 40 miles per hour and it is moving to the southwest at 3 miles per hour, and so we're seeing some erratic movement that is going on and that is expected. The storm is moving very slow. I mean, 3 miles per hour is almost stationary right there, and so it's just pounding, especially Mexico, with heavy rainfall. And as I speak about that, what you are seeing in blue is a tropical storm warning that is in effect for parts of Mexico, still the same areas as yesterday, which are Campeche going to Puerto de Veracruz. And so those conditions are likely that heavy rainfall that could cause some flash flooding. And actually remember that Cristobal actually developed from a low pressure system associated with remnants of the Eastern Pacific storm that was Amanda. And Amanda, while it was a storm, actually killed about 14 people, I believe. And so we don't know how much damage Cristobal is doing, but later on we will see. And so guys, this system could make landfall along any of the Gulf Coast states. So if you're in Texas, Louisiana, especially Louisiana, and even Mississippi, Alabama, or even the Florida Panhandle, please stay alert. And for the potential intensity here, we see that, well, most of the models are agreeing that this will stay as a tropical storm. We have one that takes it up to a Category 1 hurricane, and personally I see the possibility for a Category 1 hurricane before landfall, because even though some strengthening is anticipated, slow strengthening is anticipated, but there is a chance, but a very low one I would say at this point, that we would see some rapid intensification. It is not impossible, but the chances are low at this time. And on satellite view, you're seeing that Cristobal is not quite organized, but it will once all of the storm is over those warm ocean waters, and as it is going to be moving around in the Bay of Campeche or the Gulf of Mexico. And so guys, that is really it for this update. So if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share thoughts with me in the comments or ask a question. I will respond as best and as soon as I can. And remember to always be weather wise, and I will keep giving all the updates on the tropics.